Do you think coding is just for future IT experts? That's a huge myth. In today's world, the skills your child learns from coding are essential for almost every career. Think about it: doctors, engineers, even artists use technology that requires logical thinking and problem solving. These are the exact skills coding develops. Learning to code is like giving your child a superpower that helps them excel in math, science, and all their school subjects. It prepares them for a future we can't even imagine yet. Our program makes it super easy and fun, starting with Scratch and moving to Python, perfect for kids aged 8 to 16. It's designed for complete beginners and builds a strong foundation. Don't let your child fall behind. Give them the tools to succeed in any field they choose. Message Ajax on WhatsApp now to get started.